Vande Matram. Welcome to the wonderful learning platform of Anantyan Knowledge and Skills Private Limited and its first online workshop on Vedic Mathematics. Today I am just going to explain how the Vedic Mathematics that will be useful to find out the equations of straight line which is passes through two different points. So with the help of that Vedic Mathematics we shall get the answer of in terms of the equation of a straight line directly. So I shall show you how we are getting the uh, equation of that straight line. So before that I shall explain what are different methods we are using to get the equation of a straight line, and after that I shall show you that Vedic method which will be used to get the equation of a straight line directly. For finding the equation of straight line which is passes through two different points. The first point is 6 and 15 and the second point is 8 and minus 1. So there are two methods we are using to get the equation of that straight line which is passes through two different points. So first method is by using the equation of that straight line, that is y that is equal to mx plus c. This is A. By this particular equation we can get the equation of a straight line which is passes through two different points. How we are getting, I shall show you. The first point is 6 and 15. So here the x that is 6 and y that is 15. So with the help of this, so we shall put the value of x and y, we shall get one equation 15 that is equal to mx. So x value is 6, so 6m plus c. So we shall write it in this manner, 6m plus c that is equal to 15. This is equation first. Second one is, if we are considering this point, here x value is 8 and y value is minus 1. So this minus 1 that is equal to 8m plus c. So we shall write here, this is 8m plus c that is equal to minus 1. This is second equation. Subtracting the value of these two equations, so here the plus sign it becomes minus, plus it becomes minus, and minus becomes plus. C and C both are cancelled out. 6m minus 8m, it is minus 2m, that is equal to 15 plus 160. So m is equal to minus 8. So with the help of subtraction of these two different equations, we are getting the value of m. Putting the value of this m in any one equation, we shall get the value of c. So we shall put the value of this m in second equation. So 8 into m that is minus 8. So we shall write minus 8 plus c that is equal to minus 1. So c that is equal to minus 1 plus 64. So the c that is equal to 63. So now we are getting the value of c that is 63. Putting the value of m and c in this equation A, we shall get the equation of a straight line which is passes through these two different points. So y that is equal to, so I shall put this value here, y that is equal to mx, m is minus 8, so it is minus 8x plus c is 63. So from this we shall get 8x plus y that is equal to 63. This is the equation of a straight line which passes through these two different points. This is the one of the first method to get the answer. The second method, y minus y1 that is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So this is one of the method which is used to find out the equation of a straight line passes through two different points. Here the first point having x1 and y1, and second one is x2 and y2. So we shall write here. So put the value of x1 and x2 and y1 and y2 in this equation, you can get the equation of a straight line. So this is y minus y1. y1 is 15, so I shall write 15, y minus 15, that is equal to y2 is minus 1, so I shall write minus 1 here, and y1 is 15, so minus 15, divided by x2 is 8 and x1 is 6, so 8 minus 6 into x minus x1, x1 is 6. So from this particular equation we shall get the equation of that straight line. So it is y minus 15 that is equal to, this is minus 16 by 2, so it becomes minus 8 into x minus 6. So it is equal to minus 8x plus minus into minus plus 8 into 6, that is 48. So from this we shall get this 8x, we shall shift from right hand side to left hand side. So this minus, it becomes plus 8x plus this y, that is equal to this minus 15 that will be shifted from this left hand side to right hand side. So we shall write 48 plus 15, this is minus, it becomes plus. So finally we shall get this 63. So 8x plus y, that is equal to 63. This is the method which we are using to get the answer of a straight line. But now I am just telling to you how the Vedic mathematics that will be useful to get the equation of a straight line which is passes through two different points directly. So the Vedic formula I shall write here. So first x into the y coordinates, the difference of y coordinates. So y1 minus y2. So I shall write y1 minus y2 minus y. Then the difference of x coordinate, that is x1 minus x2, equal to this y1 into x2, y1 into x2 minus this x1 into y2. By this method, this formula, you can get the equation of straight line directly without any delay. So I shall show you how we are getting the equation of straight line with the help of this formula. This is the Vedic method which we are using to get the equation of a straight line which passes through two different points. So here x into y1 minus y2. y1 is 15 here and y2 is minus 1. So y1, that is 15 minus minus 1. So 15 plus minus into minus, it becomes plus. 15 plus 1. So it becomes 16. So we shall write it is 16x minus x1 minus x2. So x1 is 6 and x2 is 8. So 6 minus this 8, it becomes minus 2. So y into minus 2. This minus into this minus, it becomes plus. So we shall write this is plus, and this particular values we shall write directly, that is 2 into y. That is equal to y1 into x2. y1 this and this is x2. 15 into 8, that is 120. Minus x1 into y2. x1 is 6 here and y2 is minus 1. 6 into minus 1, it becomes minus 6. So minus 6, it is minus into minus 6. So you can say it is plus 6. So finally we are getting this is 126. So we shall write 126. Divide 2 in both sides of this equation. 16 it becomes 8x and 2y it becomes y, that is equal to 126 divided by 2, that is 63. So finally we shall get the equation of that straight line which is passes through two different points. So this Vedic formula that will be very much helpful to get the equation of a straight line directly, which passes through two different points. That time we shall use this formula and we shall get the answers quickly. And you can solve, you can go through different examples, and you can get the answers with the help of this Vedic formula. Thank you very much.